All right, guys, so picking up with where we left off in school, we're starting with this problem. So if Quentin has 6 pounds of strawberries and he wants to put a ½ pound in each box, how many boxes could he fill with the strawberries? So as of course, with any of these problems, the first step is to make sure that we understand what the problem is asking us. So if Quentin is starting with 6 pounds of strawberries and he's dividing them into ½ pound boxes, our number model is going to look like this. So I'm going to set it up for you. So our number model would be 6 pounds divided by ½ pound in each box. So this is how you're going to set up your problem to start with. So once we have this set up, the other piece that I will give you to help you begin to work on the problem is if we start with 6 pounds, I'm going to show this with a drawing. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 6 pounds of strawberries, and I'm just going to show them as 6 separate boxes. So I'm going to pretend that each of these boxes is a pound of strawberries. Okay, at this point, I want you to pause the video and I want you to see if you can take it from here and figure out how many boxes he can actually fill. So I'll pause for a second. Okay, so hopefully you took a second to pause the video and see if you could fill in the rest for yourself. So now that we have our 6 pounds, our 6 boxes on our page, all that's left is to divide by this ½ pound boxes that Quentin is dividing them into. So we take each of our boxes, we just divide them in half. So if we divide each of our pounds in half, there's a couple different ways we could figure out how many total boxes we can make. One way is we could just literally count the number of halves that are on the page. Or we could also see that, well, if there are 6 total pounds or 6 boxes that we started with, and we're multiplying each of them by 2 halves, that means that we will have 12 total boxes of strawberries at the end of the day. So if you got 12 total boxes, great job. Keep up the good work, and there'll be another math problem coming shortly.